For those of you who want to use the screen recorder, I'll show you how I get it. First, you're going to launch your application. I like to see if there's any updates. So if you open the application launcher, you'll see everything all in one spot. And then you can launch your application. Now the interesting thing here is you don't see any screen recorder here. That's because in this subscription, it's actually just an add-on. So if you open up your PowerDirector, this is one way to get at it. You launch PowerDirector, like so. New video drivers may require you to optimize the performance. I like to make sure my performance is always optimized. Sometimes it'll take a while. I have 2 video cards, and I find that sometimes that causes this analyzing to take a little bit longer because they're of different generations. Here we are at the PowerDirector. I always enter in full mode. Minimize that in the background. So here we are. So if you go to capture, you'll see here that there should be a built-in option to capture the screen. Right here, capture from screen. When you click that, it will automatically open the screen recorder and select whatever your settings are. If for some reason you don't see that option, you can always try go into the start menu, typing in screen, and you may see CyberLink Screen Recorder 2 pop up. That's the one that is included with PowerDirector 18 or PowerDirector Suite subscription, which is the one that I have, the Suite. Suite, people say it differently. I know someone's going to comment about it. Like, comment, subscribe. Try to keep me from getting kicked off YouTube, seeing as December 10th, they're enacting the right to kick you off for any reason, basically. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you're done, it'll come back in here and you'll have your information right there. In fact, we'll do it. Let's see if we can double screen record. Inception much. So here we are. We select the options that we want. I'm using my one microphone, but I do have multiple microphones here, so I could use the second one here. Which should be... It's not listed. Oh, it's on my other computer. Well, I could use my webcam microphone if I wanted. So yeah, so there you go. And you would see that. Input device. That could be audio input that you're putting in. My microphone's actually off. Now it's on. So now I should be getting audio from both places. Then I'd click start. It would start screen recording. Now keep in mind, I'm recording while recording, so you're going to see a smidge of a hiccup there. But there, you would go ahead and record whatever you want to do. You could preview it. If you had this on another monitor, you would be seeing exactly what's being recorded. And then this opens the libraries of recordings beforehand. You do have some different options. I believe some of these options, though, would require you to upgrade to a different one. I believe the game one will. So there you go. You could take a screenshot of what's going on at any time if you had the upgraded version. And this is what happens when you choose something that requires the upgrade. That's it. For just regular screen recording, this is just fine. When you're done, all you have to do is go ahead and stop. And it says that it's complete. And it lets me know what's going to happen with it, so I click OK. Now, when I go into edit, it opened up the web browser over here, and it brought me the latest recording right here that we just did, so I could pull that into the project. It's laggy. not letting me. Look at that. Why? Interesting. I could. Oh, this is why. Okay, that's fine. Here it is. I was trying to pull that secondary file, which is just the markers. There, when you pull it on, this is anywhere that I left clicked. It gives you a little marker on there. There's some interesting things that you can do with that. And then, yeah. So I'll go ahead and make this into a full-on little tech tutorial. That's basically it. When you're done, you'll go ahead and save. There we go. And it's saved, so you're good to go. With that, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. And you guys can watch this on the flip side.